I've been messing around with this glue in place concept where you have some wood and you put it into a 3D printed part, and the 3D printed part has a little hole that you can inject glue into. So like these were the first two, and they actually have a glue channel that runs the entire length of this, so you get to all three faces. That's pretty hard, you get a lot of squeeze out. This one has like one port on each face. These each have one little port down in the channel right there where they meet, and then there's a channel that wraps the glue all the way around. This one is kind of cool. I clamped it at 90 degrees, twisted like this, and then glued it, and then let it go, and it twisted back by about 45 degrees. These each have one port. I've been using Gorilla Glue Clear and a 16 gauge nozzle, I think, the olive color, and that works pretty good. And you can rinse these out with isopropyl, and it doesn't build up too much glue residue, so you can reuse it. Okay, bye.